The Landrover story begins in austerity Britain. Resources are scarce, and there is an urgent need to kickstart peacetime production. At the Rover car company, a new approach is required to find valuable new export markets and keep its giant factory in operation. Whether by good luck or good timing, Maurice Wilkes, chief engineer at Rover, and his brother Spencer, the chairman, hit on the idea of a civilian, peacetime, go-anywhere vehicle. In just 5 months, the first prototypes of the project, known from the start as the Landrover, are ready. The Amsterdam Motor Show, 30th of April 1948. Innovation takes the world stage. The Landrover breaks the mold of conventional thinking. It has 2 ranges of gears, 4 high, 4 low, using a transfer box for maximum use of engine torque. The backbone of the vehicle is an immensely strong box-section steel chassis, with non-corroding aluminium alloy body panels and flooring, waterproofed wiring, and a handbrake acting directly on the transmission to hold the vehicle securely on the steepest of inclines. From day one, the Landrover has been designed as a multi-purpose vehicle system. With a winch, power takeoffs, center and rear, and the class-leading ability to tow loads of up to 900 kilograms. Even now, it seems astonishing that so many new ideas were to be found in one vehicle concept. Ideas which have been crucial in shaping the future direction of all four-wheel drive design and engineering. Even as the Wilkes brothers were blazing a trail in technology, the world's adventurers and explorers were blazing new trails in Landrovers through uncharted territory. As early as 1949, Colonel Leblanc drove from Britain to Abyssinia. And in the 50s, men like Lawrence van der Post pioneered the use of Landrovers for expeditions as he set out in search of Bushmen and the lost world of the Kalahari. The company showed flair and foresight. Expeditions reached inhospitable regions of the world and demonstrated the guts and capability of the product to potential customers. Support was given to professional explorations under the aegis of the Royal Geographical Society, for whom Landrover remains a sponsor to this day.